Hey Virgo. So this is going to be your love reading for the month of July. Please keep in mind, if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well.
Spirit is saying you need to go ahead and do it because there's someone else that's coming in, and this person is gonna be the one. This is gonna be your person that's coming in. But you gotta let go of this ex. Because even if you just recently released this person, I feel like their energy is still around you. So either you guys are still somewhat communicating, or it's just kind of like they're really trying to let you go. So yeah, you're going to have to work on like really releasing that person and healing. Because I'm telling you, there's someone coming in. There's definitely someone coming in. But you're just taking a cautious approach when it comes to love, because it's like y'all are over it. Some of y'all are just over it. But don't give up, because your person is coming in. I'm seeing it. Now, past person, okay, for Virgos. Your person is coming in because they've been playing with the idea of committing to you. They definitely want to propose to you. Whoever this is going to resonate for, this reading. But the problem is they have to let go of an ex. There's an ex that they're still entertaining, or they've been trying to get away from this person, and this person is like holding on to them for dear life. And this is why they're taking a cautious approach to come towards you, because they miss talking to you. They're very much so attracted to you. I'm telling you, they know like, hey, I want to take things to the next level with Virgo, or cross-watch if you're dealing with a Virgo. This is what they're saying about you. And they miss flirting with you. They miss having fun. So they're coming back. It's just they feel trapped in a situation because somebody just refuses to move on. So let's see. All right, Spirit, what's going on with my Virgos, please? Queen of Cups tried to jump out, so somebody's sad. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But let's see. Alright, let's look. Alright, guys. Bottom of the deck, I have the Five of Cups. So, see what I'm saying? This person, this past person knows that they left you hanging. They left you out in the cold. And this is why they're having a hard time. Because they're wanting to release their ex. The way that it landed, they're wanting to release their ex because they want to come back and have a commitment with you. But they're regretting their decisions. They're regretting leaving you, going towards this love interest is what I'm picking up. They're frustrated. They're frustrated with themselves. And they're worried. Like they're worried that you're not going to take them back. See, they want to build with you. The way this came out, they want to build with you, but at the same time, they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore, and this is why they're having a hard time. So they're trying their best not to look back at the past. Somebody could have been dealing with the Capricorn here. Why is the Devil here? Clarify the Devil, please. The Empress tried to jump out. I feel like they're scared that you're going to turn down this new opportunity that they want to give to you. See, they don't want you to cut them off. Move this down here. They do not want you guys to cut them off. You could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. See, Ace of Cups. I'm telling, an offer. I just said that. I'm telling y'all, this person is coming to give you this offer. And they're hoping that you don't turn them down, but they're afraid that you are. Justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. I feel like they know that you want the truth from them. I feel like they're trying to figure out the truth from you. Like, what is it that you want, you know, from them? I do feel like they are dragging their feet to come towards you. You could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But somebody could be going through a legal situation. Or if they're in a commitment, they're married, they live with someone, courts, like it could be anything, contracts. Ooh, see? Bottom of the deck, there's the Chariot reverse. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. This is why they're not moving forward with you, because they're trying to get out of something. And maybe they're having to give to this ex, or, you know, this soon-to-be ex person, you know, in order to come towards you. Yeah, because this person does want to have a future with you. They do. Tell me more. But they're afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning with you because of something that they did in the past. Yeah, see? They cause a lot of conflict between the two of you. A lot of disagreements. And see, look at that. 2 5s. Look, I'm seeing that a lot lately. They're battling themselves. It's just like an internal conflict. Because they want to be with you, but they keep talking themselves out of it because, see, they left you hanging. They left you out in the cold. And they're hoping that you can forgive them. But, see, this person was being really harsh towards you guys in the past. But now I feel like they want to rush in. They do want to rush in and say something to you because they are afraid they're going to lose you for good. See, look at that, another 5. I'm telling you, this person was battling themselves. I feel like you guys are healing. You guys have been healing from what they did to you. I feel like this person is trying to get themselves together because they did take some type of financial loss, so they know that they're going to take some type of financial hit by giving you an offer. Because I feel like somebody is like really focusing on their financial security, but at the same time they want to come in to talk to you because they want to give you an offer, but it is going to be a small offer because they're needing to get out of something. They got to get out of it. See? They're not confident if you're going to basically, if they come and give you this big offer, they're not confident that you're going to take it, which is why I feel like for a lot of them, they're going to give you this small offer first. But there's an apology coming in. They're going to reach out to you and apologize for their actions because this person was in and out of your life. This person was being a player. This person was very immature. This person definitely didn't bring stability into the situation at all. Some of you guys could have been dealing with an Aries, but I feel like this person is now using their intuition. Okay, look at that. Oh, Virgo, October's reading. Didn't I tell the title? I'm remembering. This is definitely a soulmate or a twin flame situation. Look at this. This is a twin flame. Oh, y'all. Oh, okay. Could still be a soulmate, but twin. This person has been moving slow, but you see this? The Knight of Pentacles came out reversed. They don't want to move slow with you anymore, Virgo. Crosswatch, if you're dealing with a Virgo, they want to pick up the pace. You know this is for you. Look at that. Oh my God, I'm just skipping all around. Sorry, y'all. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but they are manifesting. They're listening to their intuition. This person wants to marry you. Do you hear me? They want to marry you. Remember, engagement jumped out. I told y'all that from jump. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But see, the issue is your person has a hard time talking to you. They have a hard time opening up, and that's why they're trying to get help. They're getting advice from friends, family, trying to figure out what to even do to come towards you. Because, see, there's 2 people here. I feel like they're getting advice on how to get out of the situation that they put themselves in order to come towards you. Somebody's dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But I'm telling you, this person definitely wants to give you a secure offer. Look, I told you, they're manifesting. This person is trying to stay positive here. They're hoping that you take them back. They're no longer, like, up late at night. They made up their mind. They're coming. Look at that. Ace of Wands in order to give you a new beginning. Virgo, they are coming. Do you hear me? If you have not been talking to this person, they're coming, sweetie. Or man. So this person is just stuck. They're stuck trying to make a decision right now. But see, and that's why they're thinking about everything. Virgo, you could be dealing with another Virgo, but I feel like this person more so is just thinking about everything that they put you through. They're thinking about the situation that they put themselves in. Like, why did I do this to him or her? How did I get here? What do I need to do to change the situation? Because I'm telling y'all, I feel like karma has been kicking this person in their behind to the point where when they come back towards you to give you that new love offer, they'll never do this again. Do you hear me? Whatever your situation is, your scenario is, they're done. They're not going to do this no more, okay? I feel like they learned their lesson. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but this person knows that they didn't bring balance into the situation. This is why they don't have a peace of mind. I told you, they're sitting here thinking. They're reflecting on everything. They're in their head big time. Yeah, see, they're not happy. They're not happy at all by their actions. They're not happy how they, what they said to you, how they treated you, how they played you. They're not happy at all. Tell me more. See, they do want things to improve with you, Virgo. Look, how did I know? I had a feeling 2 9s were getting ready to jump out, so I'm glad to see it. Because honestly, this card, I feel like it landed on top of that. But what it is, this cycle, this karmic cycle that has been going on with this person between the two of you is done. It's wrapping up. It's over. This person is just undecided about what to do at this point because they know your guard is up. They did too much to you. See? Somebody's dealing with a Cancer. But I'm telling you, this person wants to move forward with you, but right now they're not. Some of them could be in a living situation where they physically live with the love interest, or they live with like a family member. It's something like that, but they're trying to either physically move or get out of that home situation to come towards you, or it's just that they're wanting to move forward with you, but they're not, out of fear because they don't know what you're going to say. Tell me more. Yeah, see? I told you, they hurt you. Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. This person hurts you. And they know it. That's why they're like, man, I don't know what he or she is going to say. This person's holding back. But I do see that they made a decision about you. But see, they're scared. They're scared that they lost you for good. And this is why they're frustrated. Because they took too long coming towards you. They were playing around. And now it's like they're nervous about speaking their truth to you. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces, but look, I'm telling you, they're going to tell you that they want to move forward with you. This person learned their lesson, Virgo. They're coming. They are coming, okay? But they're afraid. They're afraid that they're not going to have a victory with you, and that's the holdup. See? They're afraid that if they give you that offer, you're turning them down. But see, they're going to come back to turn things around with you. They want to work things out. But look at that. This is you, Virgo. Could be dealing with another earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but I feel like this is you. They're afraid that you don't want to put any more time, effort, or energy into them. See, Ace of Pentacles reversed. If they give you this offer, they feel like you're going to turn it down. You're not going to accept it because they feel like they don't even deserve your love. It's kind of like if the tables were turned and you did this to them, they're like, man, it's no way in hell that he or she would take me back. And so that's how they're thinking, like, why would Virgo or why would Crosswatcher take me back after everything that I did? Tell me more. See, Ten of Swords tried to jump out. Yeah, this person stabbed y'all in the back plenty of times. I feel like it's been times where you guys have talked about moving forward, and then you guys would start something, and then they would just leave you hanging because they ran back to a love interest or a family situation or something, something like that. See, this is why they don't have any hope that you're going to take them back. Because it's like, you've heard this one too many times from them. Like, oh, you want another chance again? Like, we're going to do this again, and so you're going to leave me again. And a lot of them are afraid that if they come back to open themselves up, that you're going to play them. You're going to basically give them a taste of their own medicine. Because some of y'all petty. Let's keep it 100. Some of y'all real petty out there, Virgos. Okay? I love y'all, but some of y'all petty. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius here, but this is why this person doesn't have any hope. See, I told y'all the Ten of Swords was trying to come back. This person stabbed you in the back. And see, now they're coming out of being frustrated. They're coming out of feeling stuck. They're coming out of being quiet. I'm telling you, they're going to come and speak their truth to you. They're just trying to figure out how to do it. Look at that. How did I know 2 7s? Okay, y'all, look. This person had options in the past. That's why they couldn't make up their mind. And they were being really sneaky, And I'm telling y'all now, this ex, remember I told y'all there's somebody still lingering? This person is refusing to let this person go because I feel like there have been conversations between your person and whoever they're dealing with. And it's been basically told that they're not happy, this isn't working, but every time they try to, like, move forward, like, let me get out of the situation, I'm done, somehow the love interest pulls them back in, and they keep falling for it. It's like this person just will not let them go. See, look at that. 3 of Cups reversed. But see, they're going to walk away from this third-party situation. They're going to drop this person. I'm telling y'all, this person is holding on tight, whoever it is.